Abusia say Kumchacha de atiafa so or Brunu ya or boy Isidia or Ghana police. Not just East in Ghana police. A man for your margins on Bewia election Bia and Abusia or Mudisha Dianum.
Isaiah 5:20 Semunie. Mo amofra bone papa. Na amofra papa bone. Mudi sum ya han. Na mo de han aye sum. Na ye to aba na obi wini a. Na mo pesa mo sese figures no. The electoral commission.
Equal to the fact that we are when this now what the MPP for Sika Okura no can be.
And this in Ibia, Obaji Sika, our other party be wo. Now you say, we are NDC ni. Now so no akwaji sika. Said the Judas. Ebe fra Yesu asuya foni. Now akwaji sika. Now abe fra say NDC fuom. Now wono wodi wafu ne namono. Wafu na wode namono. Nyankopon ema wafu enhye. NDC ni bia bedi sika. Ewo political party bia wa wo. Wonye wadwuma yie wafu nhye. Wani mfra. Wokoti nwu. Woye oba cancer emra onufum.
Me who video na me say na kumwa na ba ne zia ne dia sa tia fast through this level because nyame nipa ni duabo de. Nka nya sa netie ba kumwa si duabo kura o Bible.
O pekura akani duabo. O kani duabo a me di bebo dua. Duabo kura o Bible. Proverbs chapter 13 verse 10 eba. Duabo o Bible.
O hwe the setting na kumwa just wa free press conference eba bebo dua. The only person that names so no na nke eba be yesade no. Was of which rabosum was it December 1st. Or your press conference abebo Brunia. But lose like a Kumchacha, I overtaking a simple cry, and then we are now born and no
police in Ibia Ghana pay Etuauka. Na election way. Oba yeni amabi. Sa wono enko wafa. Baby awo pek. Na enko baby awo man ni na vote akon. Wo se prosini no. Peacekeeping brother onko bi da. Who say prosinino? Oba brachem bronsam. Who say prosinino? Wawi ya be ya basa. Who say prosinino? Oba tete wa brabom. Who say prosinino? Oko pension. Oba yale.
Now Kumchacha Duabo no. There is kind of reason to the madness. Anything. Electoral Commission. Abusia ballot papers, you know some printing in we no master to distribute to the Akoba be on back to Tuabano. Send a be on Becky Puno until they say December 7th about 2 time no sooner be Tuabana. Then you know everything is there already. Now the crazy thing and they say election papers now, you bet ballot papers now better to Swabana. Come transfer the polling stations and then the polling areas no. Abusia no more call Volta region. And no more call Ahafo region, you know. Abusia serial numbers no mistakes abubam.
Over the last few weeks, some concerns have been raised with the serialization of ballot papers for Ahafo and Volta regions.
I also make a gum type of thing. And then alarm by and I fed you on the press statement yabuba. So I'm you know, I'm out for an print no moon and I buffer so. And then they decided it's okay, never fast no mono my manual they are shame to rectify it. I feel no maintenance here who say and no.
The commission has seriously taken action to cure the defects and has deployed teams to the printing house to correct the anomalies.
This is your reason. You see, all this time, a man for Bebrena, the NDC for top said, the entire NDC for the Electoral Commission, Munyo Majmaye, the entire NDC for feeling like Electoral Commission, be we are born MPP for. Then no money de Bebre. A man for Bebrena and Thomas. But if something like this happens, not a fake ballot papers or SS ballot papers or whatever term you guys want to call it, must send it the NDC for stronghold, which is Volta region. Now, it was by mistake. You didn't verify. I didn't know and as a printing press work company no or printing ad need by way no. Man tenasi and sana mode ko. Oko come back at us be a printing ad no. NDC agent jina ho, NPP ni obia agent to hobby. Indeed, definitely no, there is no way say on bet me making mistakes or honey na eka ho.
gaps still exist, and the Commission has taken the decision to recall the ballot papers for the Ahafo and the Volta regions.
Up until this point, I feel like easy for my Juma, they've done well. But if something like this happens, come on. Ewo Nipano, the party now, or Magraheb wolf, free say must start this whole ballots in all the process, almost says oh easy for one shall no be this and this ways no be jina so dey wiem. Haruna Idrisu see omu here all the serial numbers, everything, not just Haruna Idrisu, but I think I'm ending this phone baby. But easy for say any just say always they have reasons, they'll give you facts, they'll give you data, and this is for request you almost see it's on head of and then you same easy you turn around and try to screw them. Come on. We are one good at Ubega.
What we ask of you is that we need the serial numbers of every ballot paper printed for each region, for each district, and for each constituency. This is all we are demanding in the name of transparency.
Now to use this credit, good, so at least Marcus said there was a mistake or my rectify mistake, But so be that they had mistake and brought my attention for them to see it. Based on a more press conference or more they buy, almost they have a system automated, send it can be fooled by normal human beings. And then that machine and now automated machine, problem boom. And then human being and I corrected the mistakes in automated machine. So why didn't they stop printing then? And as a man bring that to ease his attention. Kumchacha video or raise another question, say okay. The name mistakes, a Bianco Ashanti region. Where MPP stronghold, The Bianco.
Just electoral commission for a printed papers. One printed papers now. The Eco Volta region. And the Eco B, Celia numbers, acquire fake. Celia numbers, problem ever home. The Eco Volta region, the Eco Volta, and the Eco B. Yenina Yansu Yenimugana, and was say, and this for baby a year to a bar. Won't you vote to Cassia Pie your voter? Baby, I won't you vote to Cassia Pano? I am for BA. Electoral commission for I feel no one out to say. I didn't know a mistake. I didn't send you region the annual mistake.
All these things, idea be this whole year. Nano, Rose and Nano, President Kufuor, say, I'm for Jide or Yisimu. Time workers as I think as it happened, I think 3 days or so ago. Mpanning 40 try out Magana for Jide or Yisimu. And then you turn around and do something like this, Come on. It doesn't matter the party you are in. Oh, party you did now. This is idea it shouldn't happen, especially with attention at what this election is on.
The commission has decided that the 2 regions ballots will now be printed by bulk and arts commercials, respectively.
Now, what Ashanti region? Yes, MC Bako, only MP Bako plot to Hawa or Mubesi real election. And this came. There is an audio. Happy what things audio that's the reason I made a video about it. But they were discussing it. I think we're discussing it was peace. I have no problem with whoever wins the election. If and only if, say, Adene is free and fair. But based on normal starting happening, at least this, now this election attention room, yempe problem ya Ghana ho, yempe wahala bia, munyadi and free and fair. No, obi obe winning, no say okay, my winning, obi obe losing, losing, and then someone fan someone konkoda. Because nye juma eba be pa mo obi papa, ana obi ma minti, and eba be kunkuma man for ho. There be that.
The Edikan Electoral Commission, aba yaba tuwe, yatuma Bawumia, Omedi president, yatuma John Mahama, Omedi president, Electoral Commission for Mobaji Sika, our baby, now Moba sister figures, we are so no me, Yadia, atofuwo accident anifraye kwatiwuye
yesra mu amumfa ye ntu ye se ne be ye nkonkofa trouble bia mre obia
Lieutenant Commission munim na ba ya tuwe eye na mo sesane ba bia spirit of succubus and incubus
amanfo bebre na atwa mutakiti so mu bagana e ba beduru se yes Ghana December you can't travel there abusia be hagen oti ase mamu ma trouble bia ma ye mpe hawo ba umi abawini a onwini free and fair and this bawini onwini free and fair cheddar bawini onwini obi abawini onwini but don't do it say ne be akwa wia bam akwa obi when that happens na abusia wan hwa na trouble will happen and that is something we don't need in Ghana right now. We don't need that. This one was a Kumchacha Burunuya. That is the reason why.
BP stomach ulcer tipaye yadia bia eni yaduro ana se media fo no munya
Tap send ne omu rate nie.
What?
Yeah, so with tap send if you want to send money home, now is the best time.
Oh my God!
And rate we cry and net there. Imagine every day piano the rates keep going up.
Yeah, boy.
Europe, USA, Canada. Right now, even in Dubai, and the boys in tap send the tomorrow.
Tap send. Papa no.
Who send it for the first time is they bet you $10 for free. No one is obey you code Magraheb. O de car hona. You bet you says Canada can scar will send your command off on him. Oh, Netherlands with ideal payment in Tinama tap send using are way simpler. What they send this guy you any transaction fee, any troubles be a reach out and be respond and then send this can I sound here instant to mobile money number or bank account number. When it comes to sending money home, tap send is the only choice. Period. Download the tap send. You can Apple App Store and Google Play Store and download it right now. Thanks for watching. Till we meet again, Adios.